สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone. Today let's make stir fry bok choy sprinkled with golden crunchy fried garlic. This recipe is easy and it's so satisfying. Full recipe will be listed in the description box below. Give this video a like, share and subscribe to show your support. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We have clean bok choy, finely minced garlic, oyster sauce, sugar, Chinese cooking wine, soy sauce, sesame oil, and cooking oil. When your fried garlic look like they are about to be done, you need to take them out earlier because they are still going to set and darken their color furthermore. So take them out when they are about 90% done. When they are looking like this, set them aside and let them rest. We are then going to combine all of our seasoning ingredients. And stir this well. Thank you for watching. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye.